finally, the Army managing to keep its errors way low after 20 in the first 2 sets, Mosey.
That is correct, partner. That's why ang laki nga ng nilamang nila towards dun sa mid portion of this third set. At they were able to limit theirs to 2. Ang PLDT naman having 8. And yung atake nila, 1 more for PLDT. That did not matter because they had 3 block points at ang PLDT only having 1. Ito nakabawi ng isa dun sa aces. But again, yung Philippine Army in the third set, mas nakita natin na mas gusto nilang ipanalo yung set na yun. Nagkaroon ng sense of urgency, which is tama naman.
At saka medyo they recompose themselves. Let's not worry about the officiating. Let's not worry about things we cannot control. And Tina Salak leading them in that direction. Finally, they got Dindin really firing really strong in that particular set. She enjoyed that, Mosey. So, ako at this point, it's going to be anybody's match. Naka-recover na yung Army.
Yun ang tama doon. Alam mo, napansin natin in the many games of the Philippine Army, slow start lagi sila. Pero pag naka-pick up naman at yun nga, pag bigyan mo ng opening or bigyan ng kalaban ng window, tuloy-tuloy. Pwede kang tuloy-tuloy yan.
You know, thank you, Mosey. In the meantime, we have, after this point, we'll go to Rina. We'll just finish this point first. Valdez, Soltones, and that is out. Yes, Rina Villamor has this quick report.
Yes, update muna tayo dito kay Shara Soriano na hinto nga din sa kanyang laro in that third set dahil sumasakit daw ulit yung kanyang right sprained ankle. According to her, there's still mild throbbing pain dun sa area yun, pero mas gusto daw niya na nilalaro daw ito kaysa daw pinapahinga dahil mas masakit daw ito pag pinapahinga ito. In fact, pinagmayabang pa niya sa akin kanina na kahit may ankle sprain daw siya, nakakasama daw siya dito sa practices ng PLDT team. 7 Mozzie.
Okay, alam mo, iba pag-practice, iba paglaro, but let's see, fighter to si Charo.
Yun doon ka naman mabibilib sa ating mga manlalaro. Kahit na injured, kahit na si Eliza, pagod, injured, pero pagdating sa laro, talagang 100% pa rin.
And now somebody threw away the keys to the door on the side of Army. Eliza Valdez has been thwarted, rejected, roofed twice already. The runner.
Yan yung bantay na sinasabi ni Coach Rico, di ba? Babantayan daw nila si Eliza, pero hindi nila masyadong nagawa in the first 2 sets. Hindi nila naman nabantayan dito. Although may blockers, but again, Eliza just found a way.
As you'll see in this PLDT Home Ultra-Fast Fight, Ultra-Fast LTE for a happy family. Napa-clench fist si Eliza nun kasi
nakailang blocks bago niya nakuha yung puntos na yun.
Natagpuan ko rin yung susi. 3-1. Salak. Huli. If it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
That's right. Solid block from Charo Soriano. Kaya naman pala ayaw niya magpahinga.
Charo's presence gives you a veteran on the front row. Oh!
Ruby De Leon with a sharp serve.
What is it with these two teams? One will raise to 3-0, and now 3 straight points by PLDT on the other hand.
You have to remember, mas importante sa Philippine Army na panalo nila itong set na ito. Torres.
And I understand based on Rina's report why Charo wants to play. Boy, she thought her career was done when she was done with schooling at Ateneo, and she's done bringing them to mabot sila na Final Four for the first time, remember?
Yes. Nagsimula siya assistant coach, di ba? Tapos nag-coach pa nga.
Yep. Valdez. Pantone.
Good pick up there by Ruby De Leon.
Pantone steady.
Once again, Charo Soriano. Yan yung nadadala niya di ba? Little things hindi na nga little pagdating ng finals,
Nope.
di ba?
No, they are not so little.
Oo.
5 straight points by PLDT. 2 of them belong to Charo Soriano. Ruby served. Regalo.
Ayun na naman. And si Charo, pangatlong regalo na in-embrace at tinanggap ni Charo Soriano and converted into 2 points. Pangatlo na yan.
Over-received. Alam na ni Tina Salak. 6-3.
So nagkakaproblema sa first ball itong Philippine Army. Oh, but Ruby De Leon, yun, again, yung tama sa bola eh. So, hindi bumagsak yung bola. Flat.
Alam mo yung, ikaw ng tao, mag-serve ka ng 8-9 na beses dyan. May pagod yun. Pero ito, she went 6 straight points serving there. So it is 6-4 or 4-6 as Santiago Manabat will serve. Pantone lifting it very high. Up, yep, I'll give that call. Yes. Yes. Debatable, but it's a judgment call. I'll give it to the referee. Yung spin ng bola, hindi maganda.
Lalo na halata yan dun sa bago natin.
Yeah, nung araw, nung puti lang yan, hindi halata yan.
Mas mahirap tawagan.
Oh. Pantone is now steadier. Valdez, tough angle. Pantone.
Oh, that was returned by King Balse. Poor coverage on the side of PLDT that time.
Saltones, Pantone were too far off. We're tied at 6. You know, PLDT is now discovering it's not that easy anymore. This is a different Army team.
Parang diesel yung Army eh.
Oh, regalo.
Ito naman. Oh, bata. Oh, hindi na-convert eh. Rachel Dakis, pero ganun pa man, point pa rin para sa Philippine Army.
And Charo apologetic. Suddenly,
Pero
it is,
na-confusion eh. Sa side.
That's it. Army now with 4 straight points their own.
Oh, nice sharp serve.
Valdez is angled away.
Oh, but the second serving, Valdez through the blockers of the Philippine Army. Once again, yung respeto kay Valdez. 3 blockers, partner. Hindi rin madali sa Philippine Army yun, kasi naiiwanan syempre yung malaking butas doon sa likod.
Yes, it creates a crevice, a gap on the other side of the net. So it's hard to read sometimes. Long. And technical timeout mark. We have PLDT ahead at 8-7. We shall hang on. We shall try to eavesdrop on a timeout.
Minsan malambot. Huwag naman dito palahagi. Sinasabi ko, pag mabigat ang service, kahit dito ang service dito, pwede na yun. Pero yung napakalambot ang service, pero dito pa rin ang service. Wala mangyari sa pensa natin. Ha? Ano ba yun? Bibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon sa mga talahin natin. Ano ha? Ano pag tumama, wala mo na surprise. Umahanap na pero bagal yung kontak ko mo naman. Huwag ka magdulog sa sarili. Mas kilala mo sarili mo.
They've got 3 Facebook accounts to give you up to date. GMA International, GMA Pinoy TV, GMA Live TV, and GMA International. 8-7 is the count here in the 4th set. First 2 sets going the way of the PLDT side, and the 3rd set going to the Lady Troopers.
Oh, that's a long serve from Charo Soriano.
And we're tied at 8.
Giving a freebie to the Philippine Army. PLDT now 5 attack points so far.
And with speeds up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. PLDT Home Ultera.
Partner mo dito sa set number 4, wala pang attack point itong Philippine Army.
Hindi makaset na mabuti, no? Ito, ngayon pa lang kung sakali. Huli pa rin, ano?
Huli, and Liza Valdez picking up Gonzaga. Alam mo, pagkatapos ito, magkaka-teammate yung mga yan.
Kaya mahal nila si Eliza.
Oo.
Pag may nahuhulog, kahit nung UAAP Finals, di ba, nung may nahulog doon, pinulot din niya. Kung sino man siya.
Pinulot.
Pinulot niya.
And yun na nga, and
Tina Salak gets a bump.
that's right, that's
gets a call.
Correct call. Double violation ng Tina Salak. First ball was close to the net.
You know, usually the setters are the ones who know when it's mali.
Oh, dahil yung Ay, kita nila unang-una dun sa tama ng bola.
Then how it leaves their hands.
Right.
Salak hoists it. Double block, empty space.
No one there at the back row for the Philippine Army.
And it's currently 11-8 as the serve is now obtained by Eliza Valdez. Dami ng pangalan. Pusong Valdez, Go Ali. Asos, ano ba?
Oh, that crossover. And King Malsa with a single block. Hindi masyado tiniinan. Walang tingin doon si Jaja Santiago.
Nag-alangan siya
Yes, correct.
in different ways. Sa paglipad niya, nakita niya si Balsa sumasabay sa kanya. Yung taas ng bola, ang dami. 9-11 ang bilang natin. Jovelyn Gonzaga, ang diwata ng Gimaras, sabi nga natin. Just love covering her place with full heart. Balse. Soltones adjusts. Agno Salak.
Oh, that was well read by Pantone. Nene Bautista. Yeah, lumabas yung kanyang block. So that's an off-the-block point for PLDT.
When Casas, the official ball of the Shakers Willie, kainis si Surosa siya. Tagal hindi papalo. Tapos biglang titirahan ka nung papaluin niya, labas. Labas sa kamay mo. Salak. Ulo si Bautista.
Huli because Jaja Santiago, ang blocker niya.
May mga puno no? Now, Honeywell Stubino reports back in. She started today. Couldn't get off to a good start. Let's see.
Binalik na ulit ni Coach Rico.
Roses.
Ang ganda ng serve ni Roses. Oh, and Stubino with a miss hit gets that to go.
Wala sa pwesto si Soltones Talo sa pwesto si Soltones na.
Nagalangan din siya dahil miss hit yung palo na yung Stubino. Hindi niya na-calculate well.
O off-speed ba? O ano Alam mo, pickle yung volleyball na yun kung titingnan mo 10-13. Gulong silang lahat. Balse has to track it down. Alanganin. Net touch.
Net violation ang tinawag ng ating referee.
Todo yung palo kasi. Pag todo yung palo, tatama. Si Tubino walang pitik na paatras Bagse. Yun din pala. Valdez, huli. Soltones, huli. Bakbakan ng setter. Palo ito.
Oh, that was a single block from Salak. Kaya Soltones. Nabasa maigi ni Tina. Nasang pupunta yung bola ni Soltones.
I wonder if Tina Salak ever played beach volleyball. She probably did.
Oh, most probably.
She can do everything. One day she will coach. I can tell.
Ay, ako. I can...
She would be fun to watch and teach the next generation. Lakas Pantones there.
Oh, and Eliza Valdez getting the corner.
Hala ko malakas.
Great cross-court hit.
And Valdez on target. Watch this again. Boom. 15-11. 15-11 here in the fourth. Regalo.
And Eliza Valdez taking care of that one.
And there at the technical timeout, first 16-11 is the count. We shall hang on and try to sneak